Asking one of your neighbors to move a car is quite embarrassing to do. Let us help you to make it less embarrassing by watching this video. Hello, my name is Hide and welcome to another episode of Japanese Unlimited. If you're new to our channel and wish to watch our previous episodes, just click here. In this video, we will look into a conversation about asking your neighbors to move a car. It is a short but very important video. Your manner of asking and choice of words are very important. Let's begin. それでは始めましょう。Here in Japan, especially at the countryside, almost every household owns a car. Having said that, it is inevitable that there will come a time when you need your neighbors to move their car, which is blocking your way or which is parked wrongly. In order not to offend your neighbors, proper and polite way of telling them to move their car or their visitor's car is very important. Just like the previous episodes, there will be two characters, Mark, the foreigner, and Mr. Kimura, the Japanese neighbor and car owner. We will listen to their conversation and I will explain to you what they mean later. Also, please pay attention to the intonation and pronunciation.
すいません。隣に住んでいるマークですが、車を動かしてくれませんか？
すいません。すぐ行きます。Let's take a look at their dialogue. Mark said, すみません。隣に住んでいるマークですが、車を動かしてくれませんか？ This means, excuse me, my name is Mark from next door. Would you mind moving your car? In saying this line, it is important to show respect by accompanying it with a bow and using apologetic tone to show that you're requesting politely. In doing so, you could keep your good relationship with your neighbor. Let's practice. すみません。隣に住んでいるマークですが、車を動かしてくれませんか？ And what did Mr. Kimura say? すみません。すぐ行きます。This means, I'm sorry, I'll be right there. Let's practice. すみません。すぐ行きます。That's a very simple and basic way of asking your neighbor to move a car. I'm sure that you can use them smoothly with constant practice. Let's review by listening to the conversation one more time.
すいません。隣に住んでいるマークですが、車を動かしてくれませんか？
すいません。すぐ行きます。I hope you have learned something new today and don't hesitate to watch this video again to practice with us. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. And also, please hit the bell button if you wish to be notified every time we upload a brand new lesson video. Because in this channel, your Japanese will be unlimited. Goodbye and see you on our next video. またね。